Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Starbucks geographical and demographic dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights encompass number of Starbucks by city, Starbucks per million inhabitants by city, Starbucks per 10 square mile by city, distribution of white population percentage across areas using clustered bar chart and clustered column chart to display median household income distribution across income ranges, distribution of median age across cities, and a table to display county, city, number of Starbucks, Starbucks per 10 square mile, median age, Starbucks per million inhabitants, and four cards to display total Starbucks stores, median age, median household income, percentage of white population, and a map to display number of Starbucks by city, and a slicer to filter based on city. If I click on first five cities, one, two, three, four, five, you can see Nanda County City, I mean the number of Starbucks 6, median age 40.70, Starbucks per million inhabitants 81, distribution of white population across areas. Okay, number of Starbucks by city. City Alameda has 6 Starbucks. Total Starbucks is 12. Median household income is 76k. Percentage of white population 64.20. Median household income distribution across income ranges 70,000 to 89,999. Two cities. If we see here, what if let us check how it works on dual selection. As you can see, this is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.